Okay, let's review the Methods 2026 Exam 1 and predict next year's exam. But before we begin, if you want scores like me, I'm looking for new students. Email dynamiceducation.ballad@gmail.com and I'll help you get the scores that you want. Okay, let's begin. Question 1 and 2, these are stock standard calculus questions on all exams. They always show up. Question 3, I thought was a simple trig question here. Watch how the domain changes between part B and C. That's the thing that would probably catch a lot of people out. Question 4, the first probability question is simple if you know tricks to simplify solving, or you'll be sitting there trying to factorize 450. I know that was something that I thought I had to do, but then you realize it's actually a lot simpler than it looks. Question 5, this is just a hidden quadratic. Part B is very interesting because it shows that the VCAA wants you to draw the graph to find out when it's 1 to 1. I thought that was very interesting for the inverse functions and telling you a property so that you can give it a rough sketch. Question 6, second probability question on this exam. Again, learn simple tricks to simplify this process, especially for part B, because part B can be done simply through factorizing. Question 7, not gonna lie, if you know how to visualize and draw a polynomial in factor form, this question is incredibly easy. There's nothing too difficult about it, or at least in my opinion. Question, I didn't think they'd have another one, but here we are. But again, part B stresses the fact you need to know your tricks for answering questions. Here, the integral over f of x in this domain is going to be 1 because it's a PDF. Question 9. Holy hell, this question took me about half an hour. However, this goes to visualization. If you can visualize the solution for part C, it is incredibly easy, unbelievably easy. Anyway, my predictions. Learn how to visualize. Learn properties of functions to help you visualize, and learn little tricks to make the maths easier. Ultimately, it looks like the VCAA are trying to focus on, can you actually understand the maths that you're doing and not just do the maths? So, I'll leave you off there. Make sure you check out Dynamic Education, link in the description below. I'll see you later. Goodbye.